uncover the meaning, put up one's dukes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, put up one's dukes. Have you ever heard it before? Wondering what it means and where it comes from? You're in the right place. Let's break it down together and add another cool expression to your English repertoire. Put up one's dukes is a phrase that might sound a bit mysterious at first. In simple terms, it means to prepare for a fight, usually a fist fight. The word dukes here is actually slang for fists. So, when someone says they're putting up their dukes, they're getting ready to defend themselves or engage in a physical altercation, typically by raising their fists. The origin of this phrase is quite interesting and takes us back to 19th century England. The term dukes, as slang for fists, is believed to come from the Cockney rhyming slang, where Duke of York's rhymes with forks, a term which was used for hands or fingers. Eventually, Duke of York's was shortened to dukes, referring specifically to fists in the context of fighting. While put up one's dukes might not be something you hear in everyday conversation, it's used in movies, literature, or discussions about boxing or historical fights to add a bit of flair or old-fashioned humor. For example, in a playful argument, someone might say, "Are you challenging me? Well then, put up your dukes." Or in a narrative about a historical boxing match, the boxer stood in the ring, ready to put up his dukes. Put up one's dukes is a colorful expression that adds a touch of historical charm to English. Whether you're watching a classic film, reading historical fiction, or just want to impress your friends with some quirky English slang, knowing this phrase is sure to come in handy. We hope you enjoyed uncovering the meaning behind this phrase with us. Don't forget to practice using it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.